because I could see a scenario like that, that out of husband's proceeds, maybe there was some solar panels or something, and say, okay, then he's going to pay off the solar panels, and
Okay.
this portion. You would want to have the black and white of it laid out, so the title company has its specific instructions. And then for the other things that maybe is outside of the closing, that I would not know, as long as I would not need to know, as long as we know the split that each spouse is getting.
To get.
Um,
Okay.
they're all everything is, again, agreed upon. We need to make sure it's not just
That's
one particular
key.
spouse asserting their proposal.
And have you ever been, and I guess much of this is privilege, but I mean, are there situations where you can think of where it's not agreed? And what does that do to you as the realtor if you've got your clients in your ear saying different things? Because I know on my end, we hear that my client is saying this to the realtor, the other spouse is saying something else.
Mhm.
And then we lawyers start communicating with the realtor. I mean, what do you want from us as a realtor? And what do you do in those situations?
And in those situations, it's more like, that's when my personality comes out, where I'm able to diffuse.
Yes.
So, one, try to stop all the side conversations.
Mhm.
And I get it, a lot of people may be busy, so I might not be able to get an audience with both of them. But
Mhm.
what I would end up doing is basically giving the plan of action, and it would be me getting it in writing, sending it to both parties or both sellers, so that they can see, and then I can confirm if they're in agreement.